how to get a car dealer license in Illinois. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In first step, first choose the right license for your business. It offers different type: franchise dealer for new cars, used only dealer for pre-owned vehicles, motorcycle dealers, salvage dealer, and more. Pick the one that fits your business model. Register your business with the Illinois Secretary of State. You will need approval from the Department of Revenue, a list of directors and major shareholders, and proof of good standing with the state. Your dealership must have a permanent office, a working phone line, and a display lot that meets zoning requirements. If you don't plan to have a car lot, you can still qualify if your location is approved by local zoning and passes a DMV inspection. Liability insurance is a must. Minimum coverage include $100,000 for injury or death to one person, $300,000 for injury or death to two or more people, and $50,000 for property damage. First-time used car dealers must complete an 8-hour training course at the Illinois Secretary of State's office. An approved vendor will check your criminal record. You must have no forcible felony convictions in the last 10 years. You will need a $50,000 surety bond to protect customers and comply with state regulations. The cost varies based on your credit score. Gather these key documents: business registration approval, surety bond certificate, background check, receipt, proof of training completion, and insurance certificate. Then submit everything to the Illinois Vehicle Service Department along with the required fee. Before approval, the state will inspect your business location. If you meet all requirements, you will receive your dealer license within 2 to 4 weeks. License fee range from $250 to $1,000 depending on when you apply. License expires on December 31st each year, so make sure to renew it on time. That said, now you know how to get your Illinois dealer license in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.